Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain how to solve math problems using PEMDAS, the order of operations. Sometimes in math problems, we see two different answers that both seem correct, depending on how they are solved. This often happens in quizzes or exams, but the truth is, there can only be one correct answer. By applying PEMDAS, we can confidently identify the right solution. So, what does PEMDAS mean? P for parentheses, E for exponents, powers, roots, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We always solve step by step, following this sequence. First, we have to solve on what's inside the parentheses. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then exponent, which is here we don't have that, so we will go to the next, which is multiplication, so 4 times 2 equals 8. After that, we have to go to division. As we can see, there is no division problems here. So we go to the next, which is addition 8 plus 6 equals 14. And lastly, subtraction 14 minus 8 equals 6. So that is how we can find the answer. So next time you encounter problems like this, you won't be confused. You'll know exactly how to solve them using PEMDAS. Let's try another example. Let's try to solve this kind of math problem. Like we have done earlier, we first solve what was inside the parentheses. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Okay. Then next, we have to solve the exponents, which we didn't solve in our earlier math problem, which 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 times 2 equals 8. Then multiply 8 times 2 equals 16. Lastly, 5 plus 16 equals 21. And that's how we solve math problems using PEMDAS. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the process better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.